Hello guys, it's me Tony56 here and Murdoch is fast asleep. Oh, he's waking up now. But today I have a new light switch, which I'm not going to take out the box just yet. And Murdoch has woken up. Hello Murdoch, nice to see you waking up again. Anyway, none of these two light switches are going to be installed in my room anymore. Instead, now I'm just got a lick in me. Instead, this one's going to be installed in my room. So, yeah. I'm not taking it out of the box just yet. It's a screwless design. That's what the back of the box looks like. And my dog's falling back asleep again, I think. Anyway. The reason... Look at the difference on the back of these two. Now, the reason why since this one's got two and I only have one light in my room, if I had to use this one, I'd only use the one of these switches and leave the second one blank, not doing anything, or maybe wipe in the near future. This one though, it's a fused switch for, like, for example, like an oven or a fused light. So I'm not having that installed. This is what I'm having installed instead. I mean, it's pretty nice. You can get this from B&Q. And my dog's after Minnie now. He's probably woken up. So, Murdoch, what are you doing? So, yeah. This is screws in the back. It's actually screwless. The whole point of screwless light switches and sockets is because not because of Murdoch, but it's basically the screws are hidden behind the back. That's why they call them screwless designs. So yeah. So yeah, having new light switches installed soon, and I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm also having some chrome sockets that have the beveled design. It's like a bit like that over there. Knocks after Minis again. Hey, but this guy's Murdoch's misbehaving again. Because now Murdoch has woken up. Anyway guys, that's my new light switch for my room. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.